So we're at the body shop today, so obviously we've got the 330 E46 that we're doing a full restoration on. So as you can see, it's a bit different from when it was last on the video. So it's pretty much, some of it's a bare metal respray, it's been taken back down to the bare metal to start again. It'll go in for a primer very, very soon. Walking round the car, you can see it's all been flattened. We've had new rear wheel arches fitted, where they've been welded back into place because they were starting to corrode, and the inside of the wheel arches had rotten out as well. So that's all been replaced. So watch us on this journey of a full restoration project. If you like what you see, click on the like button and click up there for subscribe.